GPS technical definition. When you drive in your car, you can easily get lost. Likely, we have something called the Global Positioning System, also known as GPS. GPS is a program that was developed in the United States for location and positioning information. You may not know this, but the GPS system is owned and operated by the United States government. The way that GPS works is trilateration, which basically just means that 4 different satellites above the Earth's surface bring off a device, and then they can give an accurate location of the device. Many people think there are only 3 satellites involved because the process is called trilateration, but there is also further satellites give information just to be extra sure that the other 3 satellites were accurate, so the name is a little misleading. The GPS system can also then measure the distance between a device and destination in order to provide direction on how to get to the destination. The history of the GPS goes back further than you might think. In the 1990s, the US successfully launching the GPS system. There were first 24 satellites operating around the Earth in space, but now there are 32 that work together to locate device and destination. The reason for 32 is that at least 24 are needed at all time. So when one of them needs service or maintenance, the other 8 can replace the ones that are not in service at the time. The GPS system was not actually fully available to the public until the year 2000, and now people all around the world can use the system to navigate and to locate specific places on the Earth. The military used GPS for things involved in military operating, like location, weapon capacity and launching, and travel of military vehicle. They also use it for very complicated measures like submarine missile launching. The GPS system can also use for many other purposes. Emergency unit can use GPS to find a call who cannot get their location. You can use GPS to figure out how far you run and in what pattern for an exercise program. Overall, the GPS system that is owned and operated by US is the most successful. Russia also has a system called the GLONASS system. The EU has the Galileo system, and China has the BeiDou system. These programs, however, are not as successful as the US GPS system. So many people around the world rely on the GPS. I hope you have learned some interesting information today about the GPS system. Thank you.